Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are going to Cascades Nature Park in Compostela. It is in the northern part of Cebu. So if you want to know more about the place and if you want to know my honest review, then please keep on watching. Okay, reminiscing our engagement. We were actually also kayaking that time when he proposed to me.
You were crying.
So, what is my verdict when it comes to Cascades Nature Park in Compostela? Of course, if you're a resident here in Cebu, the location is very okay. It's very accessible and it's not that far from the city. But for the day use rate, actually for adults it's 200 per head. And for children, it's 160 per head. Children meaning from 3 to 12 years old. And then, that's the rate for weekends or holidays. But for weekdays, I think they have a separate rate. I think it's 150. But for me, the day use rate, I think it's expensive for 200 because the only thing that you can get from that 200 is when you use their pool, and then you can enjoy also the ambience, and then there is a free use of table and chairs. But if you are renting a tent style cottage, you have to pay, you need to pay it for, I think we paid 300 that day, and that's it. I hope they have a separate rate if you are not going to use the pool, because you have a lot of things that you can do in the place, but 200 is just too much, because aside from that, you need to pay for all the amenities like kayaking. We had a kayak there. We used their kayak, and I think that's 150 for 30 minutes. That's already good for me. We enjoyed it because of their lake. We enjoyed that part of the place. So that's good. Pero yung 200 pesos and then you're not gonna use the pool, para sa akin expensive na. And okay sana if there is a consumable for that day use, but wala eh. So that's just the plain use of their swimming pool. The good thing about the place also is that you can bring your own food, provided that you have to keep the place clean after leaving the area, because if not, they will charge you with a certain amount. I think 200, I forgot. But for us, we bring our own garbage bag, so we clean the area before leaving. And then alcohol is not allowed. They actually sell alcohol also in the bar, but actually their bar, you cannot find anything like shake. So they only sell bottled juices, and then I think alcohol, and that's it. No chichirya. So you need to bring your own talaga. So the pool, if you are asking if it's clean for us, for me lang, yes, it is clean, but maraming tao, maraming naliligo. So the place is really crowded. I don't know if weekdays okay ba yung place, kasi weekend kami doon. So para sa akin, crowded talaga. So if you want to maintain social distancing for the place, then I advise you rent a tent lang, then dun kayo sa ilalim ng puno, then you can have a picnic, just like what we did. We had a small picnic with my family. So Wi-Fi, malakas yung data nila, but they don't have free Wi-Fi access there. So I think that's it. That's the entire experience in Cascades. So if you will ask me if I will recommend it, yes, I will recommend the place. So that's it for my experience in Cascades Nature Park in Compostela with my family. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've been in Cascades Nature Park and what are your thoughts about the place. So I'll see you all for my next vlog. Bye-bye!